In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a 3D object in one-point perspective. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is set up the horizon line. Right, so you can always follow along this tutorial on with a piece of paper and ruler and a pencil. You do not need necessarily an iPad or a graphics tablet or even a laptop to do this. Also, before I begin the tutorial, I just want to request you guys to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel. This helps our content get across to as many people as possible. With that out of the way, let's continue. Now that we have our horizon line, so this is our horizon line, we will set up our vanishing point. So this is our vanishing point. Now, the first step, as I said in the article, you can always check out the article that I've written on Facebook. The link is in the description. The first thing we have to do while making an object, a 3D object in one-point perspective, is to draw our baselines. So the baselines I will draw like this. It can be anyways. You can draw them this way also. You can draw them through the center also. It doesn't make a difference. Now these lines are what I like to call the width lines, because this essentially forms the width of your object. Now keep in mind that when you're drawing in one-point perspective, the object will appear smaller as you move towards the vanishing point. So don't panic if your object starts getting smaller as you draw it. It's normal. So let us now set up the length of the object. So we have the width. Now I set up the length. How do I set up the length? Is I draw one line here, anywhere, it can be anywhere, and a parallel line over here. That's it. That's all you have to do to get the length. So we have the width right over here. We have the length over here. Now when it comes to 3D objects, the third parameter that we need to consider is, of course, the height. Now to draw the height, it is very easy. We just draw one vertical line from the corner here. Of course, again, any length is okay. Now I'll try to keep this uniform, and I'll draw another vertical line over here. Okay. The next step is we draw imaginary lines from this corner, this point and this point towards the vanishing point. So we're going to draw a very faint line, and we're going to draw another line joining this. Okay, this forms a reference. Now what you have to do to complete the height, so we have two more corners left, right? We want to complete those. So how we complete those is we just join this point and this line here with a vertical line. That's it. Do that over here, do that over here, and we have the height. So this forms the height, right? The last step, bring it all together. So join these, then you can join this over here, you can join this over here, and that's it. In just two simple steps, you have made your first 3D object in one-point perspective. And that is it for this tutorial. It is very simple, it is very quick, and this gives you a good understanding of how you can take a simple 2D object in one-point perspective and convert it to 3D. So if you like this tutorial and you want to see more, obviously drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more design content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next session.